it's your girl Aditi here. You guys love planners so much and so do I, and here I have a very different and unique product with me that is unlike other planners, but it's got a lot of features called as the Positive Planner. I'm just going to share with you guys how you can actually use this planner for enhancing your undated weekly planner, and it's made of vegan leather, a 12-month journey from self-discovery to creating a dream life. It brings you awareness, vision, goals, habits, creative, holistic and positivity. I just love the concept of it. Cover may not look cute or colorful with prints, but it's got so much value to offer. If you see the close-up of it, all it says is I am enough, I have the power to create the life I desire, I choose to be happy, I am creating the life of my dreams, I am becoming the best version of myself. So this is a great start for the day. Now moving on to the main page, it says the journey, self-introspect, vision board, chunk goals, have fun, set monthly goals, plan your week, and move to mindful coloring, take a decision. This is really interesting. Gossip task and bucket list, $1 million ideas, interesting people and life lessons. Again, life lessons is something really impressive. I just love it. And notes. On to self-introspection part. Here we are in the get clarity page. So what it says is where the focus goes, the energy flows. There's a big passage on it why all of this is written here, and here it clearly says like, why is this happening to me, why am I not happy, why am I single? This is type of the questions we always ask ourselves instead of asking the question right so that we get the answer right. They have actually framed the questions for us, so all we have to do is think and write. We can have a clear clarity on what we exactly want. So this is something is perfect to understand yourself. Now moving to second part of self-introspection, the why. As motivation runs out over a period of time and it's very hard to push ourselves on a daily basis. Again, a set of questions for us to answer, like think and answer so that we get the right goal and the real purpose of it. So we get a clarity and the why as to our goal is and how to move forward. The next comes the belief system, and here talks about how mind is such a powerful tool and how subconscious mind actually creates an internal program which directs the behavior, moods, thoughts, action and decisions in life. Again, a set of simple 5 questions for us to actually sit, think of ourselves and write my life transform if I get rid of that belief and all of that. A practical way of moving forward so that we will change our belief system, or we will have the right belief system to move forward. Ikigai. You know what Ikigai is? I think it's a very famous thing where all of these connect what I love, what the world needs, and what can I be paid for, and what I'm good at. All these 4 of these things made up, that is what is Ikigai. It's again a best practice where you can actually think of something here and do it. Now comes the very important part. It's called as action. So you are what you do, not what you will say you'll do. Again, an amazing quote, because the front all those would work only if this is put into place. Universe rewards action, not only thought. Beautiful passage on it to just know what exactly we are doing. So consistency matters. It is called as a reticular activating system, a part of the brain that acts as a gatekeeper. Thoughts become things, so if you see it in your mind, you will hold it in your hand. This page has got a lot of amazing information, how thoughts harness the power of law of attraction to help you achieve the goal and how you can actually do it. So once you read the paragraph, you get a complete idea, and then you can write your ultimate goal through which the focus is really set. Now comes the vision board, wherein you can actually like stick pictures of your choice, or you can actually write things of your choice. Here it says goal and why and milestone 1, 2, 3. A goal without action is just a goal or just a dream. It's never a reality. So this is a really important part to actually see if this is the goal and these are the steps that we have to take. Now like that, they have a couple of pages given here. This is really an amazing concept. I just love this. I haven't seen this in any of the planners. Every month it gives value to our health, fun, social contribution, career, personal growth and spirituality. This is again a very important aspect because we never look into this at all. Spirituality and health, we always tend to give it up, and the other things we are actually focusing on, but these two are very important for any of this to even sustain. Both are like equally important, and I love this about every single month before you start. What are the 3 outcomes of this month? Notes and date and day. You can actually write in your date and day, and then write all the important events that you have or the things that has happened and all of it. Now every single page has a quote like this: trust energy the same way you treat money. Then comes the daily planner, and you go in and start writing everything that you're grateful for. The first way to start a day is I am grateful for. This is absolutely interesting and amazing concept, because without gratefulness nothing is going to come in life. First we should be happy with what we have, and then we can attract new stuff. So this is really amazing. After Friday, it's given given as weekend. Again, rest is really important, so Saturday, Sunday is given as off, but together you can make some tasks here. Main outcome of this week and my ultimate goal, this notes to write things, and also says like magical events that happened this week and what should I improve next week. This is again an interesting thing. Habit tracker, just given like Monday till Sunday. Monthly review, again a very interesting part. This is something that we always get to learn. It's really amazing to write that down. We always again do not focus on how do I feel. Now this is an important thing. Notes, you can just write whatever you want to do. Using this only will give you a lot of motivation and positivity. This kind of thinking will help our brain be really active and do some things that is really valuable for our life without wasting any second. Like this goes till December. After this December month review, this is actually the coloring page, and the coloring is not just about any random picture. It says I am enough, self-care, miracles every day, very grateful for, and it goes on to do it, and thank you, and all these amazing positive words, inspire. This is the process I've been doing for like 3-4 years now. I'm so glad to see something like that in book form, and also great to write it down. So when you actually write down your problem, the problem seems very simple. Excited, surprised, confused, frustrated, depressed. Pros and cons, very important in taking any decision. And this is again important. What is the best case scenario and the worst case scenario? After taking decision, there has to be some action that has to be taken to fulfill the decision. It says positive task, and it is given a bunch of positive tasks, and I just love it. It just says be grateful for your next meal and people who made it possible. Eat your food mindfully and be curious about each flavor. Again, I love it. Get up early to watch sunrise. This is again a very interesting thing. Practice a no complaint day. Stop complaining and take responsibility. Take action. The things that you change, take action, change it. The things that you cannot change, take an action by accepting it. Now comes the bucket list of the year. This is a blank space like this, and it says like $1 million ideas, and you can just write down whatever the thing that you get on your mind. Interesting people I have met. Now, life lessons to tell the world. This is again an important thing, because every day we learn something or the other to implement in our life, to realize something or to break loose of the habit, and this is again an interesting thing. Then comes a blank space called as notes. Moving on to the end of the planner, this is the best part because it has a pocket here, and it has a small beautiful note called as positivity. I just love this. It's just a small book with empty blank spaces on it. You can just write anything that you want. Now this is really interesting. Follow your passion and live your purpose. Again, it's a perfect way to add as a bookmark. Beautiful stickers. It says me time. It's a powerful exercise to realign with the authentic self. Spend alone time to do things you love, and it has this beautiful stickers on it. Manage your finance, self-talk, which is again really important. No person outside can hurt us, but the way we talk to ourselves can hurt us. So this is really important. And listen and appreciate, again a very important sticker. And there is another sticker that says as yes day, mindfulness day, forgiveness day, and grow others. They've also given this cute and mini certificate type thing wherein you can give it to people that you like. Beautiful soul award, happy face award, inspirational award, mentor awards, and sorts. So this pen loop here again to hold on your pen, and it's amazing. So that's the overview of this positive planner, you guys. This planner is really amazing. It's just not a regular planner. It's got so many different features that it can actually enhance the self and make ourselves into a better person. I just absolutely love this product. It's a very different product that I've come across, and the best part is it is undated, so you can use it any day. Pages are really thick. The quality of it is amazing. It's gonna last for ages, and I really love it. And I love the fact that giving more priority not just to the task and the outside level, but also to the inside. This planner is available for 1,499 rupees right now on sale in the store called as Positive Store. So they have their own website. I'm just gonna give the link of it down below. So if you use that link and go to the website, and I'm also gonna give you guys a coupon code as well. So if you go to the link, add this positive planner to the cart and use the coupon code, you're going to get 10% off on your purchase. So which means you can get this amazing planner for just about 1,350 rupees, and for 1,350 rupees it's really worth it, considering it is undated, and also the quality of the pages is really good, very thick, and the content is really amazing. It's really great. I have 3 other products from the same store which I'm going to be reviewing it in the upcoming videos. I hope even you are impressed with this planner as much as I am. If you guys like this planner, you can just order it using my coupon code and get 10% off. So you can just buy this planner for just about 1,350 rupees only, with free shipping as well. Use this product and come back to the same video again and leave your comments below if this planner actually was useful or not.